What's going on, guys? You might probably wondering why I'm sounding glum, because a few years ago I discovered this fantastic YouTuber called Christina Grimmie, and and she does like music and everything. She has an amazing singing voice, brilliant skills on the piano, and I think it was last year or year before she entered a contest known as The Voice in the USA, and I've only found out this morning that she was shot and killed by some lowlife just after she did a concert in Orlando. And I gotta say, it was the biggest shock of my life finding out that someone like her had died. And I will say it now, F you 2016, because it has been a terrible year for the fame life. So, I want to do this beautiful song by Chris de Burgh from his album called Road to Freedom. I recommend you take a look at it. I'll leave you the link to the original soundtrack somewhere in the description of this vid, and also I'll leave you a link to one of the best videos that Christina Grimme has ever done. She actually did a cover of Les Mis, and she did it beautifully. So I like to play this song called Songbird that Chris de Burgh wrote in memory of Eva Cassidy. But I like to do this in memory of Christina Grimme, for in my eyes, I think she was the songbird of this world. So this is Songbird by Chris de Burgh, and I hope you enjoy it.
I heard a voice so pure and easy, the songbird singing for me. I had no choice, only to listen and surrender to her words. And now she flies over the rainbow. She will walk in fields of gold. She sings from the high walls of heaven. Will the angels cry like me? First alone, then with hundreds surround me, enchanted by her song. But as the day is done, then the darkness is falling. The songbird sings no more, and now she flies over the rainbow, and she will walk in fields of gold. And when she sings from the high walls of heaven, will the angels cry like me? the angels.